Question number 4. How can I start making money with no money in 3 months? Let's see. Most of the people are thinking about this, but both again explains some general information. Starting a money venture with zero cash in 3 months is tough but feasible, especially in 2025 with AI, digital platforms, and also if you have zero money and want to start making money within 3 months, you need a high demanded. Yeah, both mentioned this. You need a high demand, low cost, and fast paying business model. And Grok also said here, pick a high demand, low entry skill, and pairs with free AI tools. First, let's go for Grok. Grok gives you some real steps that you should skill up and start small, first week to fourth week, and give you some real steps with details and with the costs also, like here, and months 2, how to build a momentum in 5 to 8 weeks, what you can do in these weeks, and how you should spend, how you can do that. And actually it also set a goal like 200, 300 by refining your pitch, landing 10 to 15 gigs, and a monthly streaming and grow. It's like, yeah, Grok organized with step-by-step levels. And also Chatgpt did the same. Like step 1 is automation and consulting, and it says like help this AI tools, then create digital product, then build a long-term brand, and potential earning is like 5k to 50k per month, which is, I guess, Grok gave the more real example and more realistic goals, because I don't expect to earn, I don't know, 50k in just 3 months, because if anyone can earn 50k, yeah, some people can, but I'm talking generally, because if anyone could earn 50k in 3 months, so everyone can get rich and everyone can, I don't know, quit their job and start business, if it was as simple as GPT says. Yeah, but I would go and vote for Grok 3 because the explanation and the steps are more realistic, and it's not something like, yeah, you can earn 50k per month, even 5k per month in just 3 months. It is possible, I know it's possible, but not for everybody. And I told you, we're talking generally. So I would go for Grok 3. Question number 5.